I'm curious, when you were growing up, did you ever go to the Yiddish theater?
Oh boy, I'm glad you brought that up. Um, my three wonderful older sisters steadily took me to the Second Avenue Theater. Unfortunately, Tomaszewski and Jacob Adler were already gone, but Maurice Schwartz was there. I also remember the Yiddish musicals I saw, including a wonderful one called Sei Freilich, with a marvelous, well, Molly Picon singing, but a marvelous comic. Now, what was his name?
Could it have been Skolnick?
What?
Menashe Skolnick?
Yes, Menashe Skolnick. I'll never forget at one point in Sei Freilich, somebody says to Menashe, why are you buttering your bread on both sides? And Menashe replies in Yiddish, of course, do you think my lower teeth are orphans? It was a wonderful musical. And had this marvelous villain, the Tante Barsheva. Oh, well, it was a long way back in time.